This mango branch is right here. I have this avocado right here in the pot. She's been going crazy. And of course, this mango is flowering, but this branch is right here. I need to pull up this branch somewhere, but not today. Let me leave him right here. Look at this. Beautiful specimen, friends. There's something who's been piled up stuff right here. Oh my God, look at this arch is falling down. Oh wow. And I've been waiting on some of beautiful lilies to come up in this area because I plant so much lilies right here. I hope they can come up. Uh if you guys remember how beautiful this section was with those beautiful flowers. Now no more. That's this section. Oh, there's some beautiful flowers right here. Look at this right here. Some hiding secret flowers right here. And this side over there, I don't even know what's going on that side. I don't want to go there. I have to go check by this section over there because I have so much. This is where I have my all my cuttings there. I need to see how they making it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. See you for another video.